Transform any space into a mini theater. Wimius projectors are designed for sharp visuals, bright colors, and seamless performance, ideal for movies, gaming, or presentations. In this video, we've selected the top 5 Wimius projectors that combine power, portability, and smart features to give you the ultimate viewing experience. Let's check them out. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, Wimius S27 Projector. Its true short-throw capability allows you to enjoy an impressive 100-inch screen from much closer distances, making it perfect for bedrooms, small apartments, RVs, and cozy attic setups. By reducing the required projection distance, image distortion is minimized, resulting in noticeably sharper visuals and more accurate proportions. With support for screen sizes ranging from 40 to 200 inches and compatibility with both 4:3 and 16:9 aspect ratios, it adapts effortlessly to different viewing environments and content types. The design stands out immediately thanks to its innovative built-in adjustable stand that rotates up to 270 degrees. This stable triangular structure makes angle adjustment simple and secure, whether you are projecting onto a wall, ceiling, or portable screen. Its lightweight form factor makes it easy to carry with one hand, encouraging spontaneous movie nights indoors or outdoors. From relaxing in bed to hosting backyard gatherings, it offers a refreshing new way to enjoy visuals from almost any angle. Automatic vertical keystone correction removes the frustration of uneven or tilted images, delivering a perfectly aligned picture without manual effort. Support for 1080p resolution combined with a high contrast ratio brings out rich colors, deeper blacks, and clearer details that elevate movies, shows, and games. Extra system features like online firmware updates, auto sleep mode, and adjustable brightness and color temperature enhance daily usability and long-term reliability. Connectivity is smooth and future-ready with dual-band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring stable streaming and quick device pairing. Wireless and wired screen mirroring options make it easy to display content from phones and other devices, while the upgraded sound system delivers clearer audio with reduced noise for a more immersive experience. Multiple ports, including HDMI, USB, and audio output, expand compatibility with laptops, consoles, and TV sticks, making it a versatile home entertainment hub. While it requires a power connection during use, its performance and adaptability make it a dependable choice for both casual viewing and special occasions. Pros: short throw, adjustable stand, stable connectivity, sharp contrast. Cons: no battery, streaming limits. Number 4. Wimius P61 Pro Projector. Built for people who want premium cinematic performance without bulky equipment, this ultra-portable projector delivers an impressive balance of power, clarity, and convenience. Weighing just 0.69 kilograms, it feels remarkably light in hand, making it ideal for travel, small apartments, gifting, or spontaneous outdoor movie nights. Despite its compact size, it brings a confident presence to any setup, easily fitting into modern lifestyles where space-saving and mobility matter just as much as performance. Visual quality is where it truly shines. Native 1080p resolution produces sharp details and natural textures, while 4K video support allows high-resolution content to play smoothly with enhanced depth. With a brightness level reaching 600 ANSI lumens, images remain vibrant and watchable even in partially lit environments. Colors appear balanced and consistent thanks to controlled color temperature and solid brightness uniformity, creating a comfortable viewing experience for long sessions. Whether watching movies, sports, or animated content, motion stays fluid with a stable refresh rate that avoids distracting blur. Automatic electric focusing and keystone correction remove the hassle of manual setup, ensuring a clean, well-aligned image within seconds. The projection ratio and flexible zoom range make it easy to adapt to different room sizes, delivering screen sizes that feel immersive without overwhelming the space. From bedrooms to backyard walls, it transitions smoothly between environments while maintaining clarity and proportion. The built-in Linux-based smart system adds serious convenience by offering pre-installed streaming platforms, allowing direct access to popular entertainment without external devices. Next-generation Wi-Fi 6 ensures faster and more stable streaming, while Bluetooth 5.2 supports both audio output and input, making it simple to connect speakers, headphones, or other devices. Audio performance stands out with dual 10-watt speakers, enhanced by Dolby sound, producing rich volume and depth that often removes the need for external sound systems. Long-term reliability is another strong advantage. Advanced LED technology supports an extended light source lifespan, allowing years of regular use with minimal brightness loss. Energy-efficient operation keeps power consumption low while maintaining consistent performance, making it a dependable choice for everyday entertainment. Pros: ultra-portable, sharp clarity, strong audio, smart system. Cons: moderate contrast, limited zoom. Number 3. Wimius T4 Projector. Transforming any room into a personal cinema becomes effortless with a projection experience designed to impress from the very first moment. The visuals feel sharp, clean, and cinematic thanks to true Full HD 1080p resolution that brings movies, series, and games to life with impressive clarity. Every scene appears detailed and vibrant, making it ideal for immersive movie nights, competitive gaming sessions, or casual streaming with family and friends. With support for large screen sizes up to 160 inches, it delivers the feeling of a real theater without leaving home. Brightness plays a major role in everyday usability, and the powerful 1200 ANSI lumen output ensures images remain vivid even when the room is not completely dark. Colors look balanced and natural, while the contrast level adds depth to both bright highlights and darker scenes. Whether you are watching during the day or at night, the picture remains enjoyable and engaging. The advanced LED light source also guarantees long-term reliability, allowing thousands of hours of viewing without worrying about frequent maintenance. Setup is refreshingly simple and stress-free. Automatic focus and intelligent keystone correction instantly adjust the image vertically and horizontally, creating a perfectly aligned rectangular picture in seconds. This makes it easy to place the projector on a table, shelf, or ceiling mount without manual tweaking. Flexible projection distances and multiple projection modes allow it to adapt to different room layouts with ease. Sound performance is equally impressive, with dual 15-watt stereo speakers delivering rich, room-filling audio enhanced by Dolby decoding. Dialogue remains clear, and bass feels surprisingly powerful for built-in speakers, often eliminating the need for external sound systems. The integrated Google TV system opens the door to endless entertainment, giving instant access to popular streaming apps, movies, and shows through a smooth and intuitive interface. Fast Wi-Fi, bidirectional Bluetooth, and multiple connection ports make it easy to connect consoles, laptops, speakers, or headphones for a fully connected home theater experience. Pros: high brightness, auto setup, powerful sound, smart TV. Cons: average contrast, limited storage. Number 2. Wimius K13 Projector. Bringing a premium smart cinema experience into your home or outdoor space feels effortless with a projector designed for modern entertainment lovers. Visuals appear crisp and immersive thanks to native Full HD resolution with 4K content support, delivering detailed images that feel natural and vibrant. Advanced optical glass lenses, combined with a wide color gamut, create rich, true-to-life colors that elevate movies, series, sports, and gaming. Even during longer viewing sessions, eye care color tuning helps reduce strain, making it comfortable for extended movie nights or binge-watching marathons. Brightness plays a crucial role in versatility, and the strong 1200 ANSI lumen output ensures a clear and enjoyable picture in a variety of lighting conditions. Whether set up indoors or used outside for backyard movie nights, the image remains bright and engaging without demanding complete darkness. Large screen projection capability transforms walls into massive displays, creating a cinematic atmosphere that draws everyone in and makes every scene feel larger than life. The built-in official Google TV system unlocks a truly smart experience with unrestricted access to thousands of popular streaming apps. From movies and TV shows to live content and personalized recommendations, everything is available instantly, without relying on external devices. Voice control adds another layer of convenience, allowing you to search content, open apps, or control playback simply by speaking into the remote. Seamless casting from phones, tablets, and computers makes sharing content fast and intuitive. Setup is remarkably quick and user-friendly, with intelligent autofocus and auto keystone correction, delivering a sharp, perfectly aligned image in seconds. Flexible zoom, aspect ratio options, and placement freedom allow it to adapt to different room sizes and mounting styles with ease. Audio performance is equally impressive, as the powerful 20-watt stereo speakers produce clear dialogue and immersive sound, while Bluetooth connectivity makes pairing external speakers or headphones simple. Fast wireless performance ensures smooth streaming, responsive mirroring, and reliable connections for an uninterrupted entertainment experience built for everyday enjoyment. Pros: bright display, smart system, fast setup, strong audio. Cons: large size. Number 1, and the winner is Wimius P62 Pro Projector. Turning any space into a smart entertainment hub becomes simple with a projector designed for reliability, clarity, and everyday enjoyment. Visual performance feels balanced and immersive thanks to native Full HD resolution with 4K support that enhances detail and sharpness in every scene. Combined with HDR processing and solid brightness output, images appear vivid with pleasing contrast, allowing movies, series, and live content to look engaging even in moderately lit rooms. Colors feel natural and well-controlled, creating a comfortable viewing experience that works equally well indoors or outdoors. The integrated smart operating system removes the need for external streaming devices, giving direct access to popular built-in apps for instant entertainment. Navigation feels smooth and responsive, while regular system updates help maintain stability and app compatibility over time. Switching between content sources is quick and intuitive, making it easy to move from a casual video session to a full movie night without interruption. This all-in-one approach keeps the setup clean and user-friendly for both families and casual users. Connectivity is a strong highlight, offering multiple HDMI and USB ports that easily support gaming consoles, laptops, media drives, and TV sticks. Fast wireless performance ensures stable screen sharing from phones and computers, allowing content to be mirrored smoothly without frustrating lag. Whether streaming, gaming, or presenting, the projector adapts well to different usage needs with minimal effort. Sound quality adds another layer of immersion, as the dual speakers with Dolby processing deliver clear dialogue and well-balanced audio for most rooms. Bluetooth flexibility allows it to double as a standalone speaker or connect seamlessly to external audio devices for a more cinematic feel. Setup is refreshingly fast, thanks to intelligent autofocus and advanced keystone correction that instantly align the picture. Additional features like obstacle avoidance, zoom control, and flexible mounting options make placement easy in almost any environment, creating a dependable and enjoyable viewing experience built for long-term use. Pros: smart apps, reliable performance, easy setup, good sound. Cons: no carry case. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.